Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Facebook customer support for a human to help. If you're using Facebook and you want to contact your Facebook customer support for a human to help, so let's see how can you do that. So there is not any official way to contact Facebook customer support service for a human, but you can get help from Facebook menu. So open your Facebook and here just tap on these three horizontal lines, the word menu icon, and here just select help and support, then tap on help center. Once you have that, you'll get Facebook help center, and from here you can search for any help articles. For example, I'm going to choose anything from here, and here I'm going to select, for example, this one. Just tap on it and you will get different options here. But if your problem doesn't solve by using these fixes, so you must have to tap on this no option, and here you can enter your problem which you are having. So in this way you can easily contact Facebook customer support for a human to help. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.